The magic contained in my element was able to unite with those that helped create it. Honesty. Kindness. Laughter. Generosity. Loyalty. Magic. Together with the crown, they create a power beyond anything you could imagine. But it is a power you don't have the ability to control. The crown may be upon your head, Sunset Shimmer, but you cannot wield it, because you do not possess the most powerful magic of all, the magic of friendship.
What is happening?
Here and in Equestria, it is the only magic that can truly unite us all.